Hey guys, today is the day where you're talking all about how to use Vexels to scale your print-on-demand business. So I personally am not a graphic designer, which means I have to kind of piece together different tools and find designs in different random places for my print-on-demand business or pay a graphic designer to do my design work for me. But over the last 4 months, I've been using Vexels to help scale my print-on-demand business, and it has been working super well. So today, in honor of their new website release, I actually wanted to share with you guys a couple of my favorite ways to use Vexels and what I actually like about the platform. They've also partnered with me for this video. So at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can enter to actually get a chance to win a subscription to Vexels for free. So make sure you guys stick around for that. But with that being said, we're going to hop into the computer screen right now and get this started. Real quick, to celebrate their new site launch, Vexels is also going to give my subscribers a free merch assets bundle. So check the link down below in the description. Make sure you guys go through that link. You're going to have access to download this bundle right now, and this has a bunch of really high quality stuff that you can go and use within your Merch by Amazon or print on demand business. You're also going to find here there's a 35% discount off any of the annual or lifetime subscriptions with Vexels, but we'll cover that a little bit later in this video. So guys, as mentioned, Vexels just went through a major overhaul with their site. And one of the cool things that they've actually done here is tried really to focus on making things easier to find for you. As I mentioned in the intro of this video, there's over 70,000 different files just on the PNG side, and they're adding to this daily. And so one distinction they've made is between merch and design, and starting to categorize the files that they're uploading into one or both of these different categories. So with merch files, these are going to be more catered towards, as it implies, print on demand and merch sellers, and design is going to be more catered towards individuals and businesses, so things like logos, business cards, etc. So one of the easiest ways to start your searching is through this discover feature over here. So we can filter by t-shirt designs, graphics, PNG and SVG files, niches, templates, etc. So if we hop into t-shirts here, we can see that then we can drill down even further into merch versus design. We can look at different types of graphic files. We can even look at the niches again here. So for example, I'm just gonna hit animals, and immediately this is gonna pull up animal design niche for t-shirt and merch products. And we can come through here and you guys can see there are tons and tons of designs in here. So remember, 70,000 different designs, 12,000 plus are print ready design files like these. So these files right here are good enough where we could just go ahead and probably download this and add it to a product on our Etsy account or on our Merch by Amazon account or whatever it may be. Or we might want to customize it a little bit more. So beyond that, they also have KDP book covers, which is something I've been exploring recently, and they're growing this list day by day, which is really cool. So we can actually come in here, find KDP designs. They have a bunch of other filters that we're able to use. So you can do a browse by the different graphic types. You can browse by niche, topic, styles, collections, and more. You can even look at different products. So as I mentioned, guys, there are KDP designs in here. So you can look at KDP book covers. They also have latest trending and featured. So just in case you can't figure out where to start, the awesome thing about Vexels is they kind of help you with suggestions here. One of the other great things, if we go into merch, if we're looking specifically for merch files, we can actually pop in here and find featured t-shirt designs. We can search by the best designs for us, even graphics by niche. So this makes it really easy to find exactly what you're looking for, or if you don't know what you're looking for, to jumpstart your search process within Vexels. And this is a great way to kind of get started if you guys are unaware of what you want to design for any given day. So once you guys have actually found a design that you want to use, or maybe you have your own designs, the other nice thing is that you can do everything within one platform. So Vexels also has a t-shirt maker, which I'm going to show you guys really quick. And the nice thing here is that we can choose our mock-up style if we want to get a feel for the design on different types of products. We can change out the T color here. So I'm just going to change this to black really quick. And let's go back to this one. And the cool thing is we can actually import any of the templates that they already have in here. We can also choose from 70,000 plus graphics to put icons in here as well. So we can explore all these different icons and graphics. And the cool thing is you can even change out the colors that are going to be in here right within the platform. So it makes it super easy for us to actually run through this without having to download and export and then import again. Obviously, if we have our own designs, we can also upload those. And that's just something that's going to be a little bit easier here to do rather than exporting and doing everything in separate platforms. So with the t-shirt maker, it's super easy to actually go from nothing to having a very high quality design by incorporating the elements that Vexels gives us into our own workflow. As my business has grown, one of the things that I value the most is being able to turn one design into hundreds or thousands of different designs, or cater to different niches with one simple idea. Sometimes that happens with print on demand, is you get one kind of starting phrase that's going to be able to set you off in the direction to create hundreds or thousands of designs. And that's one of the cool things that Vexels actually offers, is the scalable design feature. So we can actually search specifically for PSD templates. And I'm just going to show you guys a quick example of how this actually works. Once we've found something that we like, we can go ahead and download this. And within this file, it's actually going to contain instructions on how to use it. I've opened this PSD template in Photoshop, and it's really easy to actually edit this. So all I want to do is change out the text here. So I'm going to double click on the layer, and I can turn this text into pretty much anything I want. Now, all of these PSD templates are going to be a little bit different. They all have instructions that come with them, but it's very simple to do this. And once we're done, we can literally save this file, and we could go and create 10, 20, 30, 100, 200 or more of these designs for different niches. This is just one quick example. And that's one of the most powerful things about Vexels, is they give us a ton of different options when it comes to scaling up our business without needing all of the different design skills. Guys, if after all of that you still cannot find something that you want, the awesome part about Vexels is that all of their different plans actually come with the ability to request custom designs. So from your account, you're able to actually submit a request to their design team, and normally it's going to take maybe a week or two, but they're going to get back to you with a design that is suited to your specifications. Making these custom requests is super easy. So all you need to do is, from your dashboard, make a design request, and then you just give them the information about what you're looking for. So tell them about your design, your idea, the text that you want on it, and then it'll check for a trademark. Then you give it an image reference if you have any other examples of something you're looking for, or files, and hit make a design request. All right, guys, so we have gone over some of the best features of Vexels, and there's a whole bunch more we didn't cover in this video because we didn't have time. But just to wrap this all up and give you guys the information about the giveaway. So if you go to the link down below in the description, you're going to first of all get 35% off either the lifetime or the annual plans. You can choose between different tier levels. So the big difference with these is just how many design requests and downloads you're going to be able to get per month. So you have the Merch Plus annual plan, which gives you 4 design requests a month, 200 downloads per month. Then you have all the way up to the Merch Ultimate annual plan, which gives you 8 design requests and 2,000 downloads a month. And you can see the prices here, $382 annually and $772 annually. The other way to go is with the lifetime plans. So you have the Merch Lifetime Plan. This is a one-time payment of $550, or the Business Lifetime Plan, which is a one-time payment of $1,500. Again, guys, the nice thing is if you go through the link down below in the description, you're going to get 35% off. But on top of that, you're going to be entered in a chance to win a free Vexels account. Now, you do have to do this before July 13th. So how this is going to work is one lucky person, whether you sign up for a lifetime plan or for the annual plan, you're going to be entered into a raffle to get chosen at random for a full refund on your plan. So if you take a gamble and sign up for a business lifetime plan, there is a chance that you might get chosen and given a $1,500 refund for that plan. So essentially you'll get a business lifetime plan for free if you are lucky enough. So all you need to do to actually enter into this, use the link down below in the description, sign up for a Vexels account, give it a shot, and on or after the 13th, I will be announcing here on my channel and reaching out to you to let you know if you have won this free giveaway. So guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about Vexels, let me know down below in the description. And make sure you head over to that link at the very least to go ahead and get your free asset bundle. But with all of that stuff being said, we will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.